Hey guys, welcome to Small Cap Recap. Trader Bryce here. Keep this one short and sweet today. I'm up about $3,500. I am still in a couple positions, but I have to get on out of here and I won't have time until like 7 or 8 tonight to film. So I figured just make it a little early. You can look at what I'm in right now and see what I made money on today. So it was a decent day. We had a lot of good volatility today. We had like SRG running. We had Grove running. We had WTRH running, and I didn't even hit all of them. I actually focused on one of those names today, although I will show you the other ones, and then like I said, I'll show you the stuff that I'm currently in right now. I'm still checking over here to check on my positions, but like I said, good day today, good way to end the week. Nothing crazy, no big massive winner, but it was nice to have that kind of confidence today, and just a good way to close the week. I've got no complaints on my trading. In fact, I think this week I traded really great overall. There may be some slight improvements, but you know, I'm really happy with how I traded. I'm trying to let these plans work out to their fullest, in my opinion, my fullest expectation out of them, and you know, that's really all you can ask for. So anyway, let us dig on over into the charts. Here we go. So WTRH was my big winner, quote unquote big winner of the day. I locked in a little over $3,000 on it. Started long here at 25, sold most up by, I sold half into here, then the other half into this spike. I think I got my best sell at like 31. And then I did try rescalping in here, lost a bit, got chopped up, and then ended up rebuying here in the low 31s, selling up into the high a day push at 35, and I got a quick little scalp here as well. And unfortunately just sold it like 37 and barely even a scalp. I got it like a 36. I got like a 1 cent gain on that last scalp. It just got a little bit too hard to keep scalping, but overall really great trade. I had good size on it in here. I think I got long about 105,000 shares at 25 and then selling that push. And then like I said, I did get chopped up a bit in here, made it back there. Then a little bit, I might have even gotten chopped up one more time in here. But all I know is I locked in about $3,500 on it today. IINN is one of the ones I am currently in right now, just looking for this push through 231. Although I might end up cutting it before I leave just because it's been a slow mover and I don't see much coming out of it past like 240. Could have a nice push, but just doesn't feel like something I want to be risking my day on. So I don't even really have all that much size on it. MF I am currently in right now from 39. It's at basically 40 cents. Trying to see if we can just get that push through high a day. This isn't going to be any massive trade, but it is a setup that I like, so I decided I wanted to take it. And then for the last one that I'm in right now, and I'm up pretty nicely on, and already locked in a little bit of money on it, is MSVI. It's an OTC stock. Really, for the first time it's ever had any movement. It's basically a new ticker, you know, as of this year. And it's gotten some nice volume over the past few days. And so this float is incorrect. It's actually not 18,000, it's 1.5 million. But as you see, I mean, it's basically rotated its float today on news a couple days ago of a name change. And so I'm going to pull up this multi-day chart here and show you really why I like it. Let's turn off those extended hours, and you'll see here that we have essentially, let me make this full screen and get rid of all this. We essentially had just a lot of consolidation, making one of those really nice trend lines that y'all know I know and love to pieces. So we had this breakout through today, and now I'm going to go back to the intraday chart here. So as you can see, pretty illiquid overall, but as we got this spike up to a new highs test, I got long at 25 cents right in here, and am now currently riding it. I got 35,000 shares right now from about 26.5 cents. So I'm up pretty nicely on it, but I do want to let it try to re-break out through the end of the day here. It feels like a pump and dump stock. I don't really know, but like I said, I've got a decent average right now. I've been adding a little bit on these dips down in here and here. And I think I got even a dip at 30 cents right in here somewhere, 30.5 or 31 maybe. I don't remember the exact ads, but you know, what's crazy about it is even though it's illiquid, it's still making that same symmetrical triangle pattern that I look for. And I'm going to just try to let it play out as it is a breakout with, relatively speaking, more volume today. That said, it is an illiquid stock. So I am very cautious to be adding up here, as I'm not going to say oversized given my average, but I have more size. I don't want more size from a worse average, as the spread is pretty thin, and I don't want to risk taking some stupid loss on a stock that is illiquid and is most likely a pump and dump. But so it changed their name to mushrooms and like reorganized their management. That was the news on it. You guys know I don't care too much about the news aspect, but it's really interesting because we had SIMPQ the other day, yesterday, which was a wild one, really crazy, where it literally went from 2 cents up to $4. And it was a pump and dump. It was a promotion, and that's what it was. But it was crazy to watch. I was actually watching it from here in the 39-cent area. It was when I actually, put it on my chart, and I just watched it. It was not anything I was interested in actually taking a trade on. I had no idea. Obviously, it could get up to nearly $4. What was a 40,000% gain? I mean, even about a 1,000% gain from where I had seen it. It was flashing massive bid props. The Citadel was throwing up 1.5 million on the bid, and it was a great pump and dump. It was an amazing pump and dump, actually, and it was really fun to watch. And then obviously they ended up dumping it all the way back down. That's what a pump and dump looks like, when you have the pump and then the dump. And then it continued dumping today, down another 63% from open, from 60 cents down to 17. It had no news, it had nothing. It was just a low float OTC, and it was fun to watch. But I was hoping, I am hoping, I should say, that because of that momentum, that we can get some more momentum on a really nice breakout chart like this. We can get some more volume. It has the float rotation going for it. But I'm going to just be really quick to cut it if it looks like it's going south. The level 2 has stayed relatively tight throughout the day. It's just been very thin. It's not a lot of size on the bid or a lot of size on the ask. And if we close over this 32-cent level, I might swing it overnight. I've got about an hour left in the day here to determine what I want to do with it. I might take off some size just to stay safe. But it's a really nice looking chart. It could use more volume and some more dollar volume, of course, but I like the way it looks right now. So that's why I'm in this one. It's the first OTC I've been in quite some time, actually. For a bigger trade. I'm already up. I locked in a little over $1,000 on it already, and I'm up another $2,000 or $3,000, I think. That sounds right, $2,000. So going to just try to let it play out. It's been a while since I've traded an OTC like this, and just hope that we can get some kind of parabolic move. Like I said, it's a pretty fresh chart, relatively speaking. Maybe, I don't know if it IPO'd back here, what all this was. All I know is that the real actual volume, the real price action, didn't really start until about April of 2022. So I consider this a very fresh chart, all-time high volume, low float with a catalyst. So I like it, but it needs more. That's why I can't be overly sized in this right now. So enough of me talking about this stock, because chances are by the end of the day I might cut off a pretty notable position on it. So let's get back over to me here, and I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. Good trading week this week. Locked in maybe $8,000. I didn't do the math yet. It's just based on what I think, right around there, around $8,000. Maybe 7,000, I don't know. Locked in. We'll see what we can do. We'll see, if I get blessed with a crazy rip on MF, IINN, or MSVI into close here. But as of now, that's where I'm at. So thank you guys for watching. Drop a comment down below how you guys traded today. Like I said, we also had SRG running and Grove, which I think has already kind of fallen back down a bit. But yeah, nice opportunities today, nice volatility, but like I said, I'm busy and I do have to get going. So I appreciate you guys sticking around and watching. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure you like the video, and make sure your post notifications are on, guys. That's all I've got for today. Thanks for watching, and have a great rest of your Friday. We hope you guys enjoyed that last video. Thanks so much for watching and being a part of the StocksTrade community. We wouldn't be here without you guys. Be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already.
Our goal is to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year, but we can't do it without your help. So if you enjoy what we're putting out and want to hear more, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.